Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform factory reset on your Encok W04 headphones. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our case, then take out two of the headphones. You can leave the case open. Now take your headphones, and in order to perform factory reset on them, you will need to press the touchpad 3 times, and the touch area is around here on the top of the headphones. And after you touch it 3 times, you'll see this LED lamp right here on top of both of the headphones will flash white. After that, wait for about 3 seconds, then after those 3 seconds, put these headphones back in the case, close the lid, open it again, and your device will be factory reset. So now let's do this. We heard a little beep sound. Now we can put the headphones back in the case, close the lid, open it again, and the device will be factory resetted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.